Pandas. 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 Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining, everybody. Thank you for joining. Hope you guys are doing well. Good morning, everyone. You guys scalp that like button. I'm bye money. We're just starting. Trading Nascraq every single day. We had big news this morning, and as you can tell, the market just skyrocketed after the news. And you can pretty much have passed any account on Apex using this news. I myself was able to pass a couple, and that's why Apex is number one, because they allow you to trade this news just to get those funded accounts super easily. Also, you can see I'm up 1,250. I'm almost at max already. I basically just took this trade here, second entry long off of 20 EMA after this huge push up. And you can see with my first position, I took out, a scalp. And I took a swing for the second part. And we're up 1250 because of that. That's nice. I'll take it. We're up 1250. So I'm basically, if you guys don't know, max is 1500. So and when I say max, what I basically mean is how much money can you make to stay within the 30% consistency rule if we're planning to withdraw at the minimum amount needed to withdraw. That's what I mean by max. Does that make sense, pandas? Am I speaking too fast? Should I slow it down? Maybe for the top steppers here. For the smooth brain top steppers here. Whatever the news was, it was good for the market, and we are blasting off here. Good morning, Pandas. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Crimson Demon, good morning. Benali Hawk, good morning. Geo, good morning. Turtle Toes, welcome, welcome. Make sure you scalp that like button. Drop a GM in the chat if you haven't already. Market's about to open in 2.5 minutes. We just need one more scalp to basically get to max. We need maybe like an 11-point scalp to get to max. We can maybe go slightly over because of commissions. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. We're going to hold on to that one scalp that we need. Maybe we use Big Mama. Let's just do it on Big Mama. It'll be right at market open pretty much, though. Good morning, my pandas. Bill7, scalp that like button. Good morning. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. We're ready to rock and roll. What's today? Wednesday? Is today hump day? Should we try to hit a like goal today? What should we try to hit? Should we try to hit like 50 likes? Let's make it a little bit challenging. 10,000 likes? At 50 likes, I'm pretty much just trying to drink. What a surprise. Hawk Me coin. Absolutely. Market opening in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 50 likes equals whiskey challenge. Let's just start. Let's just get a win, you know, on the like goal. Should I even show you the 5-minute chart right now? This is the 5-minute chart. We're basically at like yesterday's highs. We're basically at yesterday's high. In the aftermarket or the pre-market. What in the world? What was the point of all of this? What was the point of the down move here? Second entry long with the 20 MA. Staying patient here. Let's look for a plus setup. A plus. The trap does trigger here. I think you should drink whiskey every time someone. I won't even be like coherent by like 5 minutes. Maybe a Friday night. 4 pushes down. Okay. H4 pops this up. This is flying, huh? This is flying. It's the holidays. Maybe it was actually the holidays. Okay. I mean, I gotta try Big Mama, no? Wow. Second entry long again here. Whiskey. It was Whiskey Wednesday. That's why we're doing it Wednesday. Goodness gracious. Come on. Alliteration. I used the alliteration on purpose so you remember. Also, it was always slow on Wednesday because FOMC. Alright, pandas. Let's see if we get it. Let's just try to hit Big Mama. We need 10 points for Big Mama. How about this, pandas? Either we break even to... how about this? We either are positive 500 or we hit max. That's the plan today, pandas. It's one or the other. Either we're positive 500 today so we can secure some profits, or we hit max. How about that? Might trigger Big Mama here. It's like it's hitting it when it's like a little bit overextended, which I don't like. Okay, yeah. A little pullback is not bad here. Get some more buyers up here. Okay, we're in. To hit max, we basically need like this much. Triggered Big Mama here. This could be a big old trading range, so this could reverse on us. It could take us out. But we're such a strong uptrend. I'm going to try here. Okay. Okay.
Target filled.
Easy peasy. Wow, we basically tick shot at the market there. We're looking. We got 11 points. We're at 1470, pandas. Uh, pandas. We hit max today. We're up maximum profits. That's all we can make today. We can't make more than that. Otherwise, we'll break the consistency rule. We hit max. I basically just took one trade, and it was just second entry long off the 20 MA on this super strong uptrend. Super strong uptrend. I said, why not? We're on support. And not only that, the 2500 tick chart also makes a second entry long. Makes a second entry long. And the 2500 trick, yeah, makes a second entry long. Very cool. There it is. Let's just enjoy this profit. I'm happy. Unless I look for like a 3-pointer or something. If I get 3 points, that makes it. I need like 2 points. I can get exactly 1500. Exactly 1500. I just need like 2 or 3 points. Jump to sim? I might as well. Unfortunately. Maybe I should just do like an eval. Should I try to trade an eval here? Should I jump on an eval? The problem is that I have to like. Alright. Give me a second, Panis. Just give me a second here, Panis. Where we at? 15 likes right now? All right, just give me a second, Pandas. $50 likes. Let's get to the 50 like goal for the whiskey challenge. While I set this up. You're always in a good place when you hit max and you're trying to figure out what else to do today. All right, sorry, Pandas. That should be the last one. All right, let's do this. Right back. All right, pandas, here we go. Sorry, I had to reset a couple, but here we go. Let's trade these aggressively, yeah. How about we scale in? How about we do like maximum scale in, and we'll do the weird stuff. We'll do the things that we'll never do on a real account because this is eval. This is an eval, and let's do things like that we're so scared to do because it requires like wide stops or it requires things that will bust your accounts pretty easily. Like whenever you start scaling in, you're basically asking to bust your accounts. It's like the perfect recipe to start busting your accounts. Wow. All right. You're pushing up here. So scaling in is always risky. It's always risky. The 5-minute candle right now, the 5-minute chart is just rocking and rolling here. It's actually incredible. We actually just continued this expanding pattern. And we hit the bottom of it and we're just launched. That makes me wonder. Are we aiming for the top of this expanding pattern here now? It makes me wonder, surely does. Sure, why not? We're always in long trading here. What you see right now, top left of your screen, is they are the evals. We're trading evals. We hit max. Avalanche has been on a 10-day winning streak. Finally got a hang of when to move to break even, and has brought my win percentage up a lot. All right, what is it? What's the secret? Tell us right now. Avalon asks, Panda, is it ES trading gone forever? I don't know if it's forever, but I think we need to see clear volatility in the EMINI. Right now, all the volatility is in, like, even the Nascraq, the volatility is not even crazy. Right now, the ATR is 5.72. I mean, if your ATR is 5.72 on the Nascraq, can you imagine what the ATR is on the E-mini? Probably like a 0.01. What in the world? I mean, we're in breakout mode. Let's try. I don't like that signal bar. Skip it. I'd rather buy always in long on the unless we're in a super strong uptrend on the 2500 tick. Won't you Nascraq never go back? Yeah. Kinda. It's more like what makes sense for streaming right now. Because once you stream, it's like you don't have much time. You have basically have an like hour 30 minutes, you know. And in that time, you need as much volatility as possible. Like, if Bitcoin was very volatile, I'll probably trade Bitcoin. But even Bitcoin, like, I mean, it's so slow. Bitcoin is slow. Oh. Okay, higher low triggers here. One long here. In this trade, wide stop. Always in long, 5-minute chart. Right, always in long, wide stop. We're gonna do the thing that we always wish we could do. and we're actually gonna do it. Like wide stop, and we basically just scale in until we come out break even or make profit. You know what I mean, pandas? Like we're in breakout mode, so it's like any pullback seems small. So we're gonna do the thing that we wish we could always do. Okay. Got a scalp out there. Scalp out of that. Hit a 1-to-1. That's my 1-to-1. I was happy with this.
Target filled.
All right, 380. I'll take it. What in the world? I'll take it. Whatever. No trigger, no trade. What are we trading? Nascraq? Yeah. Trading NQ. NQ all day, every day. I've gone to the dark side. Pandas. Pandas. 50 like goal. It's not that hard. 50 like goal. We'll drink some whiskey, pandas. Let's hit a like goal. It's been a long time. We're at 17 likes right now. I think we can reach it. We hit about 50 viewers. We'll hit about 50 by like 10 o'clock. We're up 380. Remember now we changed the eval because we hit max on our funded accounts. We already hit maximum profits on our funded accounts, so we're just chilling. We're gonna do trading like we always wanted to do. So these are evals now, pandas. We're trading evals. We're gonna try passing eval. I gotta trade much bigger than this, huh? I gotta trade much bigger than this if we want to really pass this. But I think rather I want to have some fun with these evals and trade in such a way where I wish I could trade on my funded accounts. All right, big stop losses, scaling in. Where it makes sense, right? Where it makes sense, right? Right now, it makes sense to scale in when we go down because we're obviously in a super strong uptrend. So any pullback will be small here. First pullback. That's what we're thinking. Another always in long trade here on the 5-minute chart. This is even stronger than the previous push up. Okay, pretty strong pullback here. I'm gonna buy at the bottom of this bar here on the 5-minute chart. I'm gonna buy near the bottom of it. Feels like entry long, perhaps. Unless we do an A top, we've got a pretty small micro double top here. We're just trying to buy the bottom of the 5-minute bull bar, thinking this is just be a pullback. We miss it by one single tick, though. We absolutely miss it by one single tick. It's ridiculous. Okay, it pushes up. We might have missed it by one tick, seriously. We missed catching this falling knife by one single tick. On a $20,000 product, on a $20,000 instrument, that's pretty incredible to miss something by one single tick. It's actually incredible. How's that possible, pandas? How's that actually possible? On a $20,000 instrument, you miss something by one single tick. How precise do you have to be to do that? What in the world? That's crazy. That's actually crazy. Trap fails. Obviously, you don't take this trap because of how strong our uptrend is. I say it's obvious, but how many times have I made that mistake? Who knows? Pandas, we got a whiskey challenge today. Get to 50 likes. Got a second entry short here now. It's a hidden second entry short, but it's a second entry short. Sitting on my pause, just waiting for more clarity here. It's a little bit confusing, to be honest. A little bit confusing, to be honest, here. Just a tiny bit. I mean, any setup that goes long, I gotta try, right? We don't quite trigger that second entry short. To trigger the fail second entry short, or yeah, to trigger the fail second entry short, basically a trap. We don't get there. In fact, it's doing this. It's doing this right now. Quite disgusting. Quite disgusting. Alright. We gotta go long here. I think we have to. We gotta go long. No question about it. We gotta try something here. Getting ready for the always in long on the 5-minute chart. Wide stop. I'm getting ready for the always in long on the 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart, another bull bar. Thinking buyers coming here. If not, buying down here. We're doing the thing that we wish we could always do. Having huge stops. It's been so long since I had huge stops like this. It's kind of like, it's kind of fun. It's kind of fun, pandas. Kind of bit of fun, no? Having wide stops like this is a little bit fun. Because you have such a high probability chance of making money with wide stops like this, especially on such a super strong uptrend. It's like, it's almost fun at this point. It's like playing hot potato. It's like playing hot potato. When is it gonna explode? When are you gonna actually be wrong that one time? I don't think it's gonna be this time. Pandas, make sure you scalp that like button. We're almost at 50 viewers, so we can definitely hit that 50 like challenge. We definitely could hit it. Pandas, I believe. Oh, this is building up a wall here. 1, 2, 3 hits. I feel like I gotta go heavy here. If we come back up, I gotta go heavy here. Okay, pushes up. I feel like if it breaks this little like resistance here, it's gonna explode. Doesn't it feel like it's like building up a lot of pressure here? It just looks like it keeps getting hit, right? Buyers are keep coming in with limit orders because they're like, all right, if you're gonna let me buy here, I'll take it. Or we crash and burn. One or the other. One or the other, right, Pandas? Just one or the other. Either that or we crash and burn. One or the other. $22 likes, Pandas. We're actually almost halfway there. It's a 50 like goal, Pandas. I mean, come on. If you can't get to 50 likes, I don't know. There's no hope. There's just no hope. Could be trading range now. I don't know if I like it as much. Steep pullback. Retest it one more time. Wow. All right. I guess I was right. Once it breaks through that, it's like a pressure cooker. Just release all that pressure. It did explode to the upside, but didn't get very far. So now we're waiting. We are surely waiting. We are surely waiting here. We might not get it. Hold. Hold. Hold.
Target filled.
Easy peasy. Easy peasy, pandas. Getting that bambooroonie. Not only we are making so much money today, pandas. This is crazy. Don't forget, like we already hit max. We already hit max on our funded account, so now we're jumping to sim, and we are making so much money today. I wish I could just trade my other accounts and just keep going long. I'll show you right now on the 5-minute chart. We've literally only had one bear candle, and it was one candle. I mean, we are just this uptrend is very strong. It's very strong. We've only had one bear candle, and it had no follow through whatsoever. It's a very strong uptrend. But no, Hawk, make sure you're watching at real time as close as possible. Watching 2x speed if you feel like you're behind. Even if the live button is red, you gotta watch 2x speed because you are responding to something that happened like 30 seconds ago. You are reacting to something that happened 30 minutes ago, or 30 seconds ago. I mean, I appreciate it, but I'm just letting you know if you want a better experience, watch it as close as you can to real time. And that's for any stream. You know, once you hit the live button, make it red. Watching 2x speed and it catches it up. Catches it up like as close as it can, as close as possible as it can. Pandas, I can't speak. I have too much bamboo. I'm eating too much bamboo. Pandas, make sure you scalp that like button. We are so close. Like, I think we can get there. It's only 10-10, and we are like halfway there. Pandas, I really believe we can hit that 50 like goal. I truly believe it. We have the viewership. We can do it. I believe it. I believe in you. Hugh says I'm only 3. Yeah, it should be. The delay should be about 3 seconds. The delay should be about 3 seconds. I'm about to buy here. I'm about to be a buyer here. Oh, I'm in 10 contracts. I'm actually in 10 contracts. Oh, I just lost all my profits. In 10 contracts. I didn't mean to do that. Or did I? Or did I, pandas? Or did I? Just buying any bull bar. Always in long trading here. Okay, but which whiskey? She says, I don't think you're on sim. I'm not. I'm on evals. I'm trying to pass some evals. Oh boy. What a time to have a pullback. A deep, deep pullback at that. Oh geez. This is flushing right now. We're just gonna stay strong, pandas, and believe the always in long trade. You gotta do the hard thing. You gotta do the hard thing. We're halfway there, Pandas. We're at 25 likes. I believe we can hit 50 likes by the end of this stream. We'll sip on some whiskey to celebrate. Pandas. Ooh, I might bust these accounts right here, unfortunately. These accounts might get busted right about now. It's not looking pretty, I'll tell you that much. Oh, trap trick. Ooh, hello. Trap fails, I'll take it. Hello. We're in green. We're in green, green. We're in a green, green, green. Super green. Oof. Very focused here, pandas. Ah. We had another bull bar. I thought we were going to continue this move up. Instead, we're pulling back pretty deep. I'm going to bust these accounts, huh? Fortunately. Unfortunately, we're going to bust these accounts. I think. How unfortunate. It is what it is. I mean, I had no reason to sell it. I saw the strong bull bar. I had no reason to sell. I said, all right, you give me a strong bull bar, I'll hold it. And the market says, not today. Not today, Panda. Not going to make it that easy. We're not going to make it that easy for you. That's too easy, you know what I mean? That's too easy. Ah, I knew it. It's going to bust my accounts. Oh, all right, we're jumping on Sim. Don't forget, pandas. Our actually funded accounts are actually we actually hit the max profits. So we jumped on Sim, and I had no reason to sell there. I mean, sorry, we jumped on our on evals. I had really no reason to sell here. I mean, I saw a strong bull bar ending on its high. You're thinking most likely another push up. Instead, it comes with the limit order bears are strong enough here to knock this back down. And I just think there are limit order bulls waiting down here, all along down here to keep buying it up. But we'll see. Darn it. They're just evals. Don't worry about pandas. We'll jump on Sim. The 10 contract trade. I actually accidentally did that. I thought I was on one contract. I forgot I changed it last minute, and then I actually made some profits. Made a little profit, and then just whoop, flushed on me. Yeah, it's doing this nonsense now. It's flushing pretty hard. I wonder how Bob Stock's doing. He said today is his first day trading on funded accounts, and I'll tell you what. That first day on funded accounts, something happens to your brain, and you throw all the rules out the window. It happens a lot. Happens often. The first time. Pandas, we're at 28 likes. This is where we're at actually on our real accounts here. We're up 3,490. We're 1,500 away. We're at one more max profit day from getting payouts, pandas. Maybe the 5 minute, this little pullback here was a sign that the next push up might have a pullback as well. We triggered a trap here. It's such a strong move up though. I mean, if we A top here, sure. It is what it is, but I doubt it. I doubt we A top here. Ruben says, for me, just lost my eval this Monday, doing a little break until next year. A little break of trading every day for a full year feels nice. It sure does. So close to passing as well. Was up 2.1K. Wow. Wow. Almost. Almost. Jeez. All right. 2,500 second entry long. Someone asked which whiskey. Maybe some Buffalo. Some BT. Excuse me. Steven Wayner says up 34% for the year so far. Nice. Ruben says most thing I feel happy about is respecting my daily stop loss very well. That showed the account survived a total of 21 trading days. Would had a reset today. Christian Demon asks how many PAs I have now. Well, right now on stream I have 4, but I have a bunch. I have a bunch. I have a bunch of PAs. Basically max.
Target filled.
Okay, first target hit. I mean, typically you come out at break even here. Typically. Yeah, it doesn't take me out break even here. Up 2K. I'll take it. Trap trade here. You need at least a 1-to-1 to make any trade worth it. And if you don't even hit 1-to-1, might as well lose a trade. Because if you're not hitting 1-to-1, then most likely you're negative EV anyways. Go for 1-to-1 here. Big push down now. We're gonna hit it though is a question. I wish I could just see like 3 seconds into the future. I'll be the best future traders ever. If you can see 3 seconds into the future, what instrument would you trade? I'm thinking 3 seconds in the future, the best thing to do is to day trade, right? Like especially when you're in a breakout area and you can see a breakout about to happen, like you could literally be perfect. You could be a perfect trader. I just need 3 seconds in the future. That's it. Come on, is it that hard to see 3 seconds into the future? Come on, can't be that hard, can it? Oh wow, this is why I get busted here. If I could dream to come out break even, I would. Made a new low. Break a trend new low. Ooh, teases me. A little teaser. Why you gotta tease me like that?
Target
Tell
filled.
me I'll break even here. Sorry. Excuse me. What am I doing? Going for all the marbles. All right, parents. Let's see. Can we get it? Can we make the dream come alive? We're at 32 likes, pandas. We're only 18 likes away from hitting that whiskey challenge. I mean, have you ever seen a whiskey or panda drink whiskey? Don't you want to see it? Hooey! Hooey! Here we go. I don't even know what's happening anymore. We're gonna see how much profits we can make, pandas. Look at this. How crazy does this look right now? Just see how much profits we can make here. Should I just hold the whole thing?
Target filled.
All right, we hit one. Can we hit all the other ones, pandas? Is it possible? Can we hit all the other ones? I don't know what this is called, but it's called the panda dream. That's what we call this trade. The panda dream. Panda Express. Only drink American whiskey made by Americans for Americans. Steven Wanner, all right, the most racist thing I've ever heard in my life. Japanese people are in the game too, you know. Japanese people have really good whiskey. But I mean, whiskey from Kentucky, you can't beat it. Have you ever seen something so beautiful in your lives, pandas? I'm gonna say no. I'm just gonna call it right now and say no. I'm certain you haven't ever seen anything so beautiful in your life. That doesn't scare me. That does not scare me. In fact, I'm going to buy more. It scares me so little. I'm going to buy more if we hit this. Basically, to take all your runners out, and it pushes back up. Don't you hate when that happens? Today, pandas, we will be on the other side of that. Today, pandas, we will be on the other side. I don't even know what's going on anymore, pandas. Oh, how about this? How about we add more levels to this? Boom. How you like them apples? Just add a couple extra levels here. No big. I mean, I guess that's the dream right here. All right, pandas, let's see what happens. What in the world is happening right now? This is our current trade. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it one of the most beautiful things you've ever seen in your life? Stephen Wayner says Canadian whiskey is technically American whiskey. I guess Mexican whiskey too, right? If you Brazilian whiskey. It's all America. America. I'm telling you, if we come back down here, I'm buying more. I'm telling you what. I tell you what right now, pandas. I tell you what. Second entry long triggers. Pandas, we're at 34 likes. Can we get 16 more likes before we end this stream? 16 more is all I ask for the dream. Americano. You mean Americano. Technically it's Americano. Alright, who are we kidding? Who are we kidding, pandas? Who are we kidding right now? Who are we actually kidding? Chile has some good wine. I think because they have like the mountains, like good soil for wine. It's like Italy, that volcanic rock. Pandas! We're so close to the 50 goal, like the 50 like goal. Pandas, I believe. Thirty-seven likes. 13 more likes, pandas. That's all we need. 13 more likes. Sip on that whiskey. We are so close. Soul Survivor said, Panda, is there a counter for the minute chart, like for the tick chart? It's just a timer. We're even in more of this trade here now. Whoa, 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 whoa. Like the 5 minute chart, if you look in the bottom right of your screen, it's very small. Like above the time, there is a time remaining, and it's called I believe it's called like a bar timer, something like that. It's native to NinjaTrader. It's native to NinjaTrader. Oh. I knew it was gonna try. I knew it was gonna take out the runners and go back up. I knew it was gonna do that because it always does that, and we're always on the wrong side of it. I should have made it an even 100 contracts. I'm at 72 contracts. A little bit awkward now. I might as well add 30 more contracts to this trade. Make it a smooth 100. Easy 100. Can we get back down here though? Now I want to come back down. Always does, right? Always takes your runners out and then goes the way you want it to go. I wish I could explain that. I wish I could explain that phenomenon. I wish I could explain that phenomenon, but I cannot. If you're in a trade, there's such a high chance for your runner to get knocked out. It's such a high chance. It's like almost worth trading the opposite to get to basically take those runners out. Alright, we're only making like 30K right now. Pandas, we hit 37 likes. There's 13 pandas out there sleeping, sitting on their paws, not scalping that like button. We were so close, but I don't think we're going to get there. I'm going to hold it until either we bust these, until we get stopped out, or Let's make it a smooth 100 here. Either we win this trade or lose this trade. But I'll hold it, and then you guys have this much time to hit that 50 like goal. Okay, let's say we're coming back down. Now I wanted to hit. Now I actually wanted to hit this blue line here, so I can get into even 100 contract trade, because 100 contracts just sounds so much better. $38 likes, 12 more likes. Can we get it? Like I said, either we're gonna lose or we're gonna win. Either way, pandas. Either way. I think this is a 2-to-1 or 1-to-2 risk reward. Yeah, this is why I have it here. It's a 1-to-2 risk reward. We don't quite get back to our target here, which is unfortunate. Now it's just gonna blast off without us. By the way, the 5 minutes setting up for a second entry long. Which I will buy if it does trigger. I will buy if it does trigger up here. But Nolly Hawk says, okay, guys, have a great day. Up 1.1K. Let's go. Going to the Austin Christmas lights, Zerker Park. Hit me up for a coffee. Let's go. If I was there, I'd definitely meet you up. If I was there. You know what? The thing is, like, I pretty much would meet up any panda here because I think everyone here is so cool. I really do think so. Everyone's so cool, so chill. I could really see myself being, like, real life IRL friends with everyone in this chat. Everyone's so chill. I love it. Okay, we're actually gonna hit it, maybe. That'd be nice. $12 more likes. Can we get it, pandas? I believe there's 12 pandas out there who are just sitting on their paws, waiting. They're like, something in their hearts is like, I've never liked a video in my life, and I'm not gonna start today. But I believe that something in them is gonna trigger and be like, you know what? For the panda, I'll do it. Just this once. I believe there's some pandas out there like that. Trying to make an even 100 contracts, but we didn't quite get there. 11 more likes is all we need, pandas. Can you imagine missing the goal by just 11 likes when we're so close? Can you imagine? Can you actually imagine that? trap trade about a trigger here. This could really push down, but I don't know. I doubt it. I truly doubt it. It's a triple top, so there's some merit. It does warrant a short, but you'll see. But now as ever in town, I'll show you around. All right, I appreciate it. Ooh, are we gonna get our 100 contracts in? I love it. Even 100, not even, but I guess I could take this 2 out here. we can make it an even 100 here to make the number nice. Pandas, we're at 40 likes. You got about I might lose this trade in about 5 seconds here. Pandas, you need to scalp that like button before we hit either one of these targets here. Either we hit this or this. And you guys probably have about 1 more minute until it happens. Just 10 more likes, Pandas. Can we hit it? Oh, there's a little more time. A little more time to scalp that like button. Whoa. Oh, boy. It's like 99% chance going to hit this, and we're dead. You know, it's not that bad. Negative 38,000. I thought it'd be a lot worse than that. It's not even, it's negative 35,000. It's not even negative 38. It's not that bad, actually, Pandas. It's not like life ruining. It might take like a couple years to pay that off, but it's not the worst. With 100 contracts, I thought it'd be way worse than that. All right, Pandas, back to reality. Our funded accounts, we're at 1,400 today. We jumped on Sim because of we hit max gains in one day. So what can we do? Jump on Sim. All right, Pandas, I appreciate you guys trying to hit that scalp like goal. But Pandas, we didn't get there today. Pandas up 1,400 today. Gotta love it. All together up 3,500-ish on our accounts. We are getting closer and closer. Pandas, it's been great. I'll see you guys bright early tomorrow morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time. And hope to see you guys there. With all that being said, Pandas, as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.